Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Trade Ideas manual backtesting module. First, you need to select an alert indicated by the A in an alert window. You cannot use the backtesting module for a top list or a multi-strategy. It must be an alert window. Simply start by right-clicking, selecting Backtest Strategy. This gives you access to the backtesting module, which is essentially what our artificial intelligence Holly is built on, but this allows you to configure it and run it manually. The first tab in the configuration window selects entry time. 6:45 is what I have selected here. In other words, I'm on the West Coast. 6:45 is the same as 9:45 East Coast time. Trade Ideas will default to your local time. The exit time, I'm going to move up to, let's say, 8:20 a.m. West Coast time. So what essentially this is saying is do not enter the trade prior to 6:45 and do not enter any trades after 8:20 a.m. Timed exit. This particular strategy is a long-term strategy and I have it set to exit at 7 days after today. The risk management tab allows you to set profit targets in either dollar amounts or percentage amounts. In this case, I have enabled a 10% profit target to take it off the table if it gets there, and I have used a 3% stop as a stop loss to manage the risk. So what we have here is a nice 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio in our risk management tab. Advanced can allow you to use trailing stops if you wish. I have this selected to none. And we're going to backtest 45 days. You can go up to 62 days. This particular summary shows us the times that we're going to enter the trade, what our risk parameters are, how long we're going to hold it, how long we're going to test. This particular strategy is looking to short sell advanced moves through a Bollinger Band extreme move. And to test that, we simply hit Simulate Sell. As you can see, the system is working and it's displaying a preliminary equity curve on what to expect for this particular strategy. Okay, now that the strategy has been successfully run, it is taken to our summary page. This would be the equity curve based on that particular strategy. You can see we have a profit factor of 2.55 and a total of 213 trades over 45 days. The best average winner is $1.50. The average loser is 76 cents. So 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio there. That's a pretty good setting. There are many ways to optimize and look throughout the day, see if there are any times of days. Well, we could cut off this 8:10 to 8:20 because we're starting to get some red here, so we can optimize by taking off the time of day in which we stop selecting trades. We can also check the price to see if a certain price level is performing better than another price level. It's also important on the summary page to check and make sure that we're getting some daily distribution and not everything is happening in one day and one day only. So you can see this is a good distribution of profit days versus negative loss days. Drawdown shows you at one point how bad your drawdown on the account would be, and this was only 6% on the onset, and after that it got much better. So those are the basics for the summary of the backtesting module that the artificial intelligence is built on. And in fact, the artificial intelligence does what I just did over 1 million times every evening.